Hello students, welcome to the 5th semester MIL English. So congratulations for taking English as a basic subject. So this time it has been very limited portion and I have been introduced to you already. I am Dr. Ashalata Shankar Tirda from the ASS Arts Science Commerce College Gokak. I am here today just give you the syllabus for the 5th sem. So you have only 5 essays to read. They are very interesting and very easy also. And of course you have little bit of grammar and composition. In the same old pattern you will be writing 80 marks theory paper. First test and second test for the internal, that is 20 marks. 80 plus 20 marks. And you will be asked questions like what objective type, essay type questions, report writing, dialogue writing, note making, and application for the job with CV. So most of the students feel that English is a very difficult subject. But if you learn with interest, everything will be very easy. It's not complicated also. You see, in some of the city places, the people who cannot read and write, they speak in English very fluently. It's just because they have a lot of interest in learning the things. By offering English as a basic subject, you are going to help yourself, because now you are the final year students, and even in the 5th and 6th semester you'll be called for the interviews, like we have the placement cell, and what they are going to concentrate on, they are going to concentrate on your speaking skill, that is in English. So most of the students think that their mother tongue is very easy. Of course, everybody agrees with it because it's a mother tongue. But you have to equip yourself with the different skills like this English, which is going to help you in the placement cell. That will be well placed if you speak in good English. They will have grammar. You already learned in the previous classes, and you will be learning to write the job application and all. It's going to help you a lot in the future. So this is the idea behind offering English as one of the subject, that you should always take the road which is not taken by all, because the one road is already formed, everybody is rushing there, you have to wait there. This subject will be like the road not taken. You are going to build your career over here. So I appreciate everybody for offering English. It's going to help you in appearing for clerical exams, It might be any postal exam, any competitive exam, even in KS and IS. So always aim for the better things. So as the sky has no limit, you should aim for the good things higher, so that you'll be benefited at least with some of the things that you can reach. So just wanted to say, you're going to study only few essays. The essays are like Man's Peril, which has been written by Bertrand Russell. He is one of the greatest writers. He is an essayist, a great thinker. Then you have a very interesting and funny story which has been addressed as Dissertation upon Roast Pig. So this dissertation upon the roast pig is very funny, and it's going to give you a lot of information that how the people started roasting the flesh, because before they thought that they should eat the flesh without cooking. They were just eating the raw flesh. This is a funny lesson which is going to give you the details that how the people started roasting and eating the flesh. You are going to enjoy this particular lesson. Then you have another interesting lesson, The Man in Black. It's written by Oliver Goldsmith, a great essayist. Of course, he has written some plays. He is a great writer, a very interesting writer. You are going to enjoy this lesson, that is particular essay, The Man in Black. Then you have got another interesting lesson by M.K. Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. He has written a lesson on voluntary poverty. So you know the great national father, how he wanted to become once the English gentleman, and how he deals about some of the ideas. Here he is trying to speak about voluntary poverty. So we'll be studying what is voluntary, what is poverty, and how this idea has been depicted by M.K. Gandhi. So you have got one of the Indian writer in English talking about the voluntary poverty, where you are going to see the sense and the sensibility of the Indian. Then you have Of Nature in Man by Francis Bacon, the great essayist. Every word written by Bacon has a weight, it has a value, and he just gives us a knowledge about the nature of the man. These are the only 5 lessons that you are going to learn. Very limited portion compared to other subjects. So you will find it easy. Don't panic. We'll be providing all the notes for you. We'll be giving you the details of these all 5 essays. Apart from these essays, you'll be having little portion of the grammar, that's a report writing, that how to write a report. It might be a report, then of the study tour, project report, and the news report. Then you'll be learning about the dialogue writing when you visit the office, how you should interact How should you talk? How should you communicate? What are the formalities that you have to just express? So we'll give you a dialogue and dialogue writing. It's going to help you in learning the speaking skill. Then you have note making on a given topic. Some topics have been given and you are going to make a note on it. Then you are going to learn application for jobs with CV. We'll give the models, we'll teach you how to write the application for the jobs along with the CV. So we have the pattern of question paper that as I just told you earlier, 80 marks theory paper and 20 marks. It will be for internal, okay? You'll be having first test and second test. First test 4 marks, second test 10 marks, then 3 assignments, 3 for the attendance. So together it is 20 marks. Out of the 80 marks, they are going to ask you objective type of questions, means 1 marks questions on the lessons that you read or the essays that you read. Like who has written dissertation upon the roast pig, or the man in the black, or nature in man. So you will be having many writers writing the same lesson. So you should not get confused over it. So you will be having comprehension question and essay answers, 10 marks. Objective type, that will be the first question, 10 marks. Comprehension questions on essays, answer in a sentence or two, 5 into 2, 10 marks. Then the third one, essay type questions, you will have a choice out of 2, you have to write 1, that is 10 marks. Fourth, essay type questions on essays, 1 out of 2. Then again 10 marks. Short notes, 2 out of 4, 10 marks again. You have to write 2 out of 4. Then report writing, it might be a tour project report and the news report. Then you will have a dialogue writing, note making on a given topic and application for the job with the CV. Together it makes the 80 marks. So this has been a prescribed syllabus. So you have to notice, we will provide you the essays. So you will be studying man's peril, dissertation of the roast pig, man in black, voluntary poverty, then of nature in man. So hope you understood, students. Okay, thank you. I will talk to you about the essays in the next class. Okay, thank you.